joined Shreyas Rawat, and today I'm going to teach you about Scratch. So, first thing I pulled up is my Scratch website. So, you can see that it has a Scratch logo here, and it has everything. So here's the home page. So first thing I'm going to tell you about is how to join Scratch. So if you press on join Scratch, I'm just gonna do cool dude. So if I so this username is taken, so I have to try another one, but I'm just gonna try and change it a little. But it's still taken, so I'm just gonna find another one. I'm just gonna say like that. So now you should just see this. So I actually have my own account, so I'm just gonna press back, and I'm just gonna press sign in, and I can sign in. So when you're signed in, you can see what's happening. You can see Scratch News, and you can see the logo, you can see create, you can see explore, you can see ideas, you can see about, you can see a mail letter thing, and a file thing, and a drop down. So first thing we are going to do is do explore. So click explore, and you should see you should be on all, and you can see all the projects made by everybody. So anybody made anything, so you can see here, so it's from trending, it's the most trending, to popular and recent. So those are the filters. There's animations, there's art, there's games, there's music, there's stories, and tutorials. So I'm just going to go back to the menu. And ideas is the tutorial Scratch made. So you can see the tutorials here. And there's also about. So about is about like Scratch and how it was made and the person who made it. And there's a video about it. So, and also there's this mail, so you can see people that text you something like this. And also in the file, you can see all those projects you made. So now we're going to go to let's press create. So we're going to make a new project. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load really quick. Okay, now you should see this. It should say creating project. Now you can see that we have Scratch right here, and we have everything up here. So I'm just gonna rename this Hello World. So I named it Hello World. So now now here it should say Hello World on Scratch. So so I'm just going to do this. So now you should see 3 tabs. You should see a code tab, a costume tab. So here's the costume we have right now, so Scratch. And we have sounds. So I'm going to go back to code. So now we can see that we have a motion, we have a look, we have a sound, we have a event, we have a control, we have a sensing, we have an operator, variables, and my blocks. So motion is basically how you can move your character around the canvas. Looks is like you can do what it looks like. You can change its size and other stuff. And sound is like to make it like make them do a sound, or you can make a clear sound effects, or you can see what the volume is like this. Hello, like that. So in events you can see that it's for events like when this flag is clicked and when space key is pressed, or when the sprite is clicked. So also in control, we have control for the movements like if then, if else, like that. So I'm gonna go in sensing now. So sensing is like to sense, like it will tell you like what it's sensing, or if it's touching color, or it's touching the mouse pointer. So here's our mouse pointer. Operators is basically operators like plus, minus, times, divide, and pick random. And also greater than, less than, and equal to. And the variables are like so like variables do some are like you can make your own variable, so that's pretty cool. And my blocks, you can make your own block, so it's to make it the program shorter instead of making more blocks, to make it really like long, and it will take you a long time to like find what you need to fix. So also you can save it. So I'm just gonna press that, and then it says project saved. So that basically means like you can see it in your file place, like right here. You can click on the file so you can see everything you have. So now I'm going to show you how to make a basic like Hello World project on Scratch. So you're gonna have to click on events and drag the first one you see, called when flag clicked. So it looks like this. So next thing you want to do is go to looks, and you can make it say hello, but we want to say hello world. So I'm just going to say hello world. So now when you click the flag, he says hello world. I hope you liked it, so I will see you next time in the next video. Till then, stay safe.